Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Stellar Lumens nails. What you will need is a base coat and a top coat, and for the colors you will need yellow, orange, white, and blue. It helps if you have the tool with the two different dots on the end. If not, you can just use a toothpick. The first thing you want to do is take your base coat and do a thick coat. Once that's dry, you want to take your blue nail polish and do a coat of that. I got this blue shade from the dollar store. Once that's dry, do another coat so that the blue stands out more. The next thing you want to do is get a toothpick and your black nail polish. Carefully make two little lines like how I'm doing here. And then at the top you want to make a little dot and bring it down to meet up with those two lines. Now to close this, you want to just do a line at the bottom. Then you want to make a little dot in the middle. And two lines outward on the side. Just fill them in so that the whole thing is black. So now you have cute little rockets all over your nails. This might take a few tries because as you can see, some of mine are very messy. Next you want to take your yellow nail polish and a toothpick and gently make a small curve at the bottom of the rocket and do it again on the other side to connect it. Once it's connected, you just want to fill it in. Once that's dry, you want to take your orange nail polish. The one I'm using is Orange Creamsicle by Avon, and you want to do the exact same thing underneath the yellow one. So make a little curve and connect it on both ends. Next, you want to take your black nail polish and do some little lines underneath that. Next, you want to take your white nail polish and a toothpick and just make a little white dot in the center of the black dot on the rocket. Once that's dry, you want to take your top coat and do a thick coat of that. And that's it. Now you have Stellar Lumens nails. I think these are super cute and I had fun doing these. However, it might take a few times because once you mess up a line, you have to redo the whole nail. If you guys like my nails, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content and more crypto nail designs. And if you guys have any designs in mind that you want me to do, please let me know down in the comments below and I will do my best to do the nails that you've requested. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.